As we look toward the future, the automotive landscape continues to evolve. From fully autonomous vehicles and shared mobility solutions to hyper-efficient electric powertrains and cutting-edge materials, the cars of tomorrow promise to be more advanced and sustainable than ever before. The love affair with cars is far from over, and we can't wait to see where the journey takes us next. In today's video, we will explore the top 5 ways to improve your car's performance. We know how much you love your ride and understand the urge to constantly push its limits, making it faster, more responsive, and more enjoyable to drive. That's why we've carefully researched and created a list of the latest and most effective modifications you can make to unlock your car's potential. Whether you're a seasoned tuner or just starting your journey into the world of car mods, this video has something for everyone. We've gathered the latest information and the most effective methods to help you get the most out of your ride. Number 1. Upgrading your ECU, engine control unit. The ECU is your car's brain, controlling everything from fuel mixture to ignition timing. Upgrading to a performance-tuned ECU can significantly enhance your car's performance by optimizing its settings for improved throttle response, fuel efficiency, and power output. Many modern vehicles come with advanced ECUs that allow for custom tuning, so check out your options and get the best tune for your specific make and model. Some popular options include Cobb Access Port, Honda Flash Pro, and APR tuning. When upgrading your ECU, ensure you work with a reputable tuner to get the best results and avoid potential damage to your engine. Number 2. Installing a cold air intake system. A cold air intake system replaces your car's stock airbox, allowing cooler and denser air to flow into the engine. This helps improve combustion efficiency, resulting in increased horsepower and torque. Numerous aftermarket options are available, so research and choose a system compatible with your car that offers the best performance gains. Some popular cold air intake brands include K&N, AEM, and Engine. When installing a cold air intake, it's essential to ensure proper fitment and sealing to prevent debris or contaminants from entering the engine. Number 3. Upgrading your exhaust system. A performance exhaust system can help your engine breathe more efficiently, allowing for better exhaust gas flow and increasing horsepower. Look for systems made of high-quality materials, such as stainless steel, to ensure durability. Remember that some exhaust systems may produce a louder or more aggressive sound, so choose one that fits your preferences. Popular exhaust system brands include Borla, Magnaflow, and Akrapovic. When upgrading your exhaust, consider the complete system, headers, downpipe, and catback, for maximum performance gains, and always consult a professional for proper installation. Number 4. Suspension upgrades. Improving your car's handling is a great way to enhance its overall performance. Upgrading your suspension components, such as coilovers, sway bars, and strut braces, can provide better cornering and stability. When choosing suspension upgrades, consider your driving style and the driving you do most: daily commuting, spirited weekend drives, or track days. Leading suspension brands include KW Suspension, Bilstein, and IBAC. Remember, a well-balanced suspension setup is key, so consult with an experienced tuner or mechanic. Number 5. Performance tires and brakes. Last, but certainly not least, upgrading your tires and brakes can significantly impact your car's performance. High-performance tires provide better grip and handling, while performance brake systems offer improved stopping power and heat dissipation. When selecting tires, consider tread pattern, compound, and overall design to match your driving needs. Top tire brands include Michelin, Pirelli, and Bridgestone. For brakes, look for performance brake pads, rotors, and calipers suitable for your vehicle. Leading brake system manufacturers include Brembo, StopTech, and Willwood. Always ensure proper installation and maintenance to guarantee optimal performance and safety. As we continue to push the limitations of automotive technology and strive for a more sustainable future, there's no doubt that cars will remain an essential part of our lives for years to come. Always consult a professional and follow the manufacturer's guidelines when modifying your vehicle. Each upgrade can significantly impact your car's performance, but remember that a well-rounded approach will yield the best results. Combine these modifications for a harmonious balance of power, handling, and braking capabilities, and you'll be sure to turn heads on the road or the track. We hope this video has inspired you to take your vehicle to an advanced level and explore the exciting world of automotive performance.